Folks, welcome to Best RV channel. Anala Mari again and again and again. Today, another 2026 travel trailers. This is #1 selling trailer by Dutchmen Aspen Trail because it's a family-oriented travel trailers. This is a brand new 2026 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 26 bunk house. It's a 26-foot travel trailers with a sofa dinette on a slide out and a queen bed on the front. Now, what does Aspen Trail separate themselves apart from the others is they give you everything is electric. So, electric tongue jack in the front, electric stabilizer jack. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and power awning and power slide. So this unit, there's nothing physically you have to do. It's all pushing switches. You push this one to the front, you push this to the 2-step jack in the front, 2-step jack in the back, and power on. As you see, nice big one, metal, diamond plate in the front. I call it diamond plate, but they have the nice texture rough for rocks. 2 propane tank with the cover, power tank jack. Now look here, and the pass-through storage is deeper and bigger. Look how deep and bigger, and it has a light. Now, they give you a solar panel. So you, in this unit, you don't have to worry. It's come with the solar panel. Again, they have awesome warranty, 1 year tip to tip, 3-year structures, 12 years on the roof. And this is a 26 bunk house. Nice entry assistant, 3-step to get in. There's a place here for TV outside. You have the endless hot water heater. Suburban. 2 nice black rim, make it like a murder look. Stronger. Another storage underneath the bunk room. In the bunk, look how deep and it's big. Again, this is the 2 stabilizer jack, the electric one in the back. They give you everything, the spare tires, backup camera, leopard, the ladder on the go. So prep for ladder. They have the big bumpers where you store your sewer hose that come with the cap, cable hookup, city water connection, sandy flush, 30 amp power cord, and the sewers, if you notice, is sit high from the ground. That's a big point. I need to emphasize that to you. And here's where you dump the black and the gray. Now, this is appreciate big time. Bigger slide. Okay, look how big it is. Higher slide. Slide toppers. All other brands, even the one we sell here and other brands, they don't give you slide toppers. The Dutchmen Aspen Trail come with a slide topper for protections, to protect the roof of the slide out. You don't have to go on the top to clean the roof of the slide out. Easy, bird, crab, go outside. Tree, debris, go outside when you close the slide. So it's 100% plus. Average the slide topper when you go to any dealer in the country, they cost around $900 installed. But the nice Dutchmen Aspen Trail come with it. Now, where's my mechanism? Nobody asked me that questions. So it's not a cable, it's not a swing slide, it has rack and pinion. This rack and pinion is the key of the slide out, is being since the day one, is more durable, more easy to work with, and less headache for you. So this is rack and pinion, flush floor slide out. And as you see, here's the sofa and the dinette on the slide. Over here, this is the other side of the outside storage. Magnet, that's the beauty. Look how deep it is. 30 amp controller with a 200-watt solar on the roof. Perfect. So you got everything you asked for. Solar, you do. Slide topper, you do. Slide out, you do. Power awning, you do. Power jacks, you do. Power tank jack, you do. Everything is on it. And I could not believe the price because we bought 100 of them and we give you a price no one could match. Now, I want to emphasize about 2 things. First is the privacy in this floor plan. So we're going to show you this unit. You have the full privacy for mom and dad in their bedroom. So their bedroom full privacy with the 2 doors, as you see, we're going to show you recently. Then the second I want to emphasize is the slide out. Look where I'm standing here, my feet. See my feet? They're flushed. Other manufacturers who make this floor plan, they put a step to get on the slide out. And how many times I fall off from the slide out because of the step. Here's this a flush floor. It's a bigger, higher, and width. It has more width. Now, notice has a lot of big windows. You have two big windows here, plus one here. They're open for wind circulations. Now, coming down over here, so we have a jackknife sofa or butterfly. Look, all the storage you're getting in this. And then again, this is a bed. And if I lay down, I could wash the TV and the fireplace while I'm laying down on the jackknife sofa. So this is a beautiful jackknife sofa seat, 3 people. And then we have over here a beautiful dinette. And again, I could sit 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, you have access storage on the solid doors and accessible from the top as well as the side. And then this piece go down and it become a bed. Now, in the kitchen, look how beautiful this kitchen. I mean, just take the picture this way. Please, the cameraman, point from here all the way to here. So it give you bigger doors. And by the way, it come with your portable Bluetooth speaker. Come with it. You have a nice, big, deep, wide next the sink area as well. So the right and the left as well the front. Country sink. Nice faucet. Microwave with a 3-burner range and oven. 3-burner range. But the amount of the sink, I mean, the amount of the kitchen counter space, the room is so you could, there's a place to put your coffee maker, your toaster. There's a plug 110 on the left side for your appliances, LED light, fan and light on the hood. And also you have a place for your trash can, no worries. As well, you have 3 doors for your utensils, they're solid. And then they give you the bigger refrigerator, the 11 cubic foot refrigerator. 12 volt, again, no worries because you have 200 watt solar on the roof. And then ladies, don't worry about the pantries, how big this pantry. Now you could use this as a pantry, half as a closet. Show them on the rod, there's a closet here for the people in the bunk area. Or you could use this for all the people in the bunk area. You have 2 double over double. Roomy. I could sleep 2 people here, 2 people on the top. I have window, USB plug and light. And this is the nice surprise. Full privacy to your master bedroom. You have entry door from the left side as well as the right side. You could put your 40-inch TV here. There's support here to put the TV. If you don't want to put the TV on the wall, you could put the TV standing here. Nice fireplace, very modern. A shelf. And if you go, the cameraman from this side, I want to show you, you have a beautiful queen-size bed. Now, what's the advantage of this floor plan? It gives you the distance here. So you could see I could walk. Some of them, unfortunately, they put this wall straight, button up with the queen bed. There's no walking. But with the Aspen 26, I could walk around the bed. And I'm going to show you, I'm walking around the bed. So you have no issue. You have a nice shelf, reading lights, closet on this side, closet on the other side. There's a shelf for CPAP machines and USB plug. And again, if you decide to put a second TV here for your bedroom, you can. There's a support in this. Plus, what I like about them, they give you the storage. So they don't waste it. So you have the full storage in the front, full storage in the back, double over double, flush floor slide out, fully loaded, and a price. We assure you no one will match this price. So this is a perfect 27-foot bunk house with double over double and flush slide on a price unbeatable. So come to Best RV and grab it. Now let me show you the bathroom. Why also this is nice? Because look how roomy it is. Nice solid medicine cabinet, a sink, prep area, no issue for my needs, place for towels, and a big shower surround. Nice curtains, fan with lights, and nice big shower, height and elbow, no issue. Perfect 26 bunk house. Come to Best RV and grab it because I priced this unit. I brought this unit loaded with solar, power jacks, power awning, flush floor, privacy bedroom, fireplace. All these features on a price unbeatable just for you. So come to Best RV and grab it.